Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can change the control center style. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So pull down the notification panel twice, select settings, and then scroll down to where it says home and lock screen. Select it, and here you will see control center. So choose the way to access notifications and quick settings. Go ahead and select it. Okay, so when you first get the phone, it will be set to classic style. So swipe down from the top of the screen to open quick settings and notifications. Okay, so when you swipe down from the top of the screen, it will give you quick access to all your quick settings. So these are all the tiles, your quick setting tiles. And to access all your tiles, you have to swipe across. And if you select the little pen there, you will see even more tiles. And if you long press on any of the tiles, you can rearrange the order. Okay, so I'm just going to go back now. Okay, so here we have the new modern style. So swipe down from the top left of the screen to open notifications. Swipe down from the top right of the screen to open quick settings. So I'm just going to select the modern style. And when I pull down the notification panel now, as you can see, the quick setting has changed. The whole layout has changed. It now has this iPhone look to it. Okay, and once again, you can do the same. If you press the little pen there and select Edit Quick Settings, you can rearrange the tiles. And you can also add some from down here, just simply by long pressing and dragging it up into there. And you can add as many as you want. So as you can see, I've added all those tiles into the quick settings panel here. And if you make any mistakes, just simply press those three little dots there in the top right hand corner and select reset. And everything will go back to normal. So yeah, that's how you change the control center style on the Motorola G85. Hope this video helped you out. If it did you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.